felt like your hard-earned money is slowly disappearing? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects every single one of us: inflation. What is it, and how is it silently eroding your savings? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to protect your wealth and make informed financial decisions. Let's start with the basics. Inflation is the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services rises, eroding purchasing power. In simpler terms, what you could buy for $100 last year might cost you $105 today. Scary, right? Currently, inflation in the US is at levels we haven't seen in decades. This means that if your savings are just sitting in a bank account, they're losing value every single day. Imagine waking up one morning to find that your savings can't even buy you a cup of coffee. Unless, of course, you're a fan of instant coffee. Then you might be okay. Now, let's confront the harsh reality. Inflation is a thief, and it's stealing from your savings. Traditional savings accounts often offer interest rates that barely keep up with inflation, if at all. This means your money is effectively losing value while you sleep. Think about it. If you're not investing your money wisely, you're not just losing potential gains, you're losing ground. But what if I told you there are ways to combat this? Investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate can provide returns that outpace inflation. Yes, it comes with risks, but the potential rewards are worth it. Imagine feeling empowered, knowing your money is working for you instead of against you. Here are some strategies to protect your savings. First, invest in stocks. Historically, the stock market has outperformed inflation over the long term. Second, consider real estate. Property values often rise with inflation, making it a solid investment. Third, explore inflation-protected securities. These are designed to increase with inflation, keeping your purchasing power intact. Think of it as giving your money a gym membership. Let it bulk up instead of just sitting on the couch. To recap, inflation is a real threat to your savings, but it doesn't have to be a death sentence for your financial future. By understanding inflation and taking proactive steps, you can safeguard your wealth. The time to act is now. Don't wait until it's too late. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on personal finance. And stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore how to build a diversified investment portfolio that can weather any economic storm. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Remember, knowledge is power, and the best time to take control of your financial future is today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.